showed you the last jigsaw puzzle, I had some more jigsaws. So I have some more jigsaws. So I decided to show you all. And today I'm going to show you the Tom and Jerry. I have about 3 Tom and Jerry ones, but this is one of them. And I'm going to show you how many are. As you can see, these are loads of pieces, and I'm going to build these together and show you. So, viewers, let's move on. And if you like my channel, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, now I'll put these on the side and let's start to build. So first of all, I'm going to start with the symbol of Tom and Jerry. As you can see, I've already done 2 matches. So basically, I'm just finding the right one so far, because I know which one I need to find, and I'm only finding it from the massive collection. This is the one. You can see that there's a little bit over here red, so that's what I'm going to do. Please wait for me a minute, and you can see for yourself that you can see that it's the writing is Tom and Jerry. So now let's I'll fix some more now. Please wait for me a moment. Where is it? There it is. This one doesn't. Try this one. No. Yeah, they're all. Please wait for me a moment. I really have loads of pieces, so I have to make sure I find the right piece and put it in the right place. And don't do any wrong. There it is. Sorry to keep you waiting. So you can see that it's building up now. Now I'm just finding a piece. I know which one comes next. It's this piece, and then it will be this. Now, this is the piece so far. And one more piece. Which piece could that be? Please wait for me a moment. Okay, let's leave this because I can't find the right move and move on to another piece. So I'm building Tom right now. So, and there's his other eye. And I'm building Jerry. Come on, Jerry. That's the piece I was missing then. And then I'll put this here. And there you go. Almost done Jerry now. So I basically, when I couldn't find that piece, I just put it away, and when I find and I'll make other parts of the jigsaw, and you can see. So now let's move on. So you can see here they're selling lemonade. So I'm making the jug of lemonade right now. And there. can see that looks really good. So now let's put this over here. I'm just wondering if there's another piece. Oh yeah, now I'm wondering if this could get with the other pieces. Okay, I'm just breaking it for a minute, and yeah, it goes on. So these pieces match. So now I can put this and this. You can see now I put this part earlier on, and the part I was building was exactly the part that joins together. Silly me. You can see it's getting bigger and bigger. Now I'm just getting some more pieces to put, which could go in here. And it goes. Sorry, but I'm having a little bit of confusion. So that's what I was looking for. Sorry to keep you waiting, but you can see I'm finding the right pieces now, and I think I built more than half of the jigsaw. You can see that it's really big now. It's bigger than before. Because it's getting bigger, because I'm keep on putting pieces on it. So now where could this piece go? Aha! Woohoo! And this one doesn't fit, but I'm sure I'll find the right one soon. Come on. Yikes. Yay! I found the piece I was looking for. It must be one of these sandy ones. I'm looking for this piece over here. So it must be one of the sandy ones. This is the one then. Now keep on building. I love building. So it goes here then. There. You can see that I'm almost done. Only a few pieces left. There, and there you go, viewers. I finished the jigsaw piece. You can see that it's really big and it's square, and they're selling lemonade. You can see that easily. So that's it for now, and I'll see you in the next video, viewers. And I hope you liked my video. And please like and share and subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Bye bye.